Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
Hey girls, so today I want to show you one of my favorite headbands. I really like this one, especially because it's a solid color and you can match it with so many outfits. This is the beige cream, but YETASI has a variety of beautiful colors you will love. So these bands are not only great, I love its quality, but they're also very comfortable. These are made from very durable fabric material, and you're going to see this beautiful knotted design that brings so much style and makes you look super put together. You're also going to notice that it has a soft lining, that it's something I really love because it's gentle on my head. And something that I'm always paying attention to is that it's not too tight, since I tend to get a headache, but this specially headband can be adjusted according to your desired size. I promise you're going to love this and you're going to get so many compliments.
So if you're looking for a headband that's going to bring comfort and style, definitely check this one out, and that is my point of view.